Once your child has reached the rear-facing limits of his car seat, it's time to switch from rear-facing to a forward-facing seat. Convertible seats have rear-facing weight limits ranging between 35 to 45 pounds. This means your child may be able to ride rear-facing beyond their second birthday. When switching a convertible seat from rear to forward-facing, you'll need to move the shoulder straps so that they are at or above your child's shoulders, and adjust the angle to be more upright, as described in the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure the seat belt or latch webbing runs through the forward-facing belt path. Finally, tether the top of the car seat. When you use latch to install a forward-facing seat, you must always use the tether. In the forward-facing position, the harness should be at or above the child's shoulders. This positions the harness to absorb force in the event of a crash and support the child's weight. The harness should lie flat and be free of folds or twists. It needs to cross over the shoulders and legs and be equally snug across each part of the body. When the harness is tight enough, you will not be able to pinch any webbing between your fingers. Once the harness is snug, the retainer clip should be aligned with your child's armpits so it can hold the harness properly over your child's shoulders.